Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the right runtime, Python 3, 8 or later, and an isolated environment. Once created, clone the repository and install requirements so packages match the project. This avoids version conflicts. Activate the environment, then run Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter Lab. That launches a server on 127.0.0.1.8888. Make sure the notebook kernel matches the env. Selecting the wrong kernel breaks imports. This gets you from nothing to a running interface in one continuous flow. You proceed by opening the main notebook and running cells sequentially. Notebooks expect stateful execution, so top to bottom preserves variable dependencies. If a package is missing, use an in notebook %pip install or %conda install, then restart the kernel. That keeps the environment reproducible. Inspect printed outputs, plots, and data frames to verify correctness, and watch logs for errors. Once done with heavy computations, clear large variables or use checkpoints to reduce memory. Make sure to document any ad hoc fixes inline you finalize by exporting the notebook as IPINB and a shareable HTML or PDF, and placing process data and plots into a dedicated output folder for repeatability. Then, freeze the environment with pip freeze or conda env export so others can recreate your setup. Commit notebooks and outputs to the repo, push, and test by cloning into a fresh environment. If something fails, troubleshooting tip: check the kernel and environment mismatch first. Mismatched kernels cause import errors even when packages are installed correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.